Welcome back to the channel, and this is Neela Priya. So in today's video we'll look more into ways of publishing content online. So there are various platforms, various purpose on which we write content. So depending on the purpose and depending on the audience set, we can choose where to publish our content. So let's get started. So please subscribe to the channel to know more about content writing related videos. Let's get started. So number one, we have personal platforms like be it a blog channel like WordPress, Wix or Squarespace, which gives you full control over the content. Like you can choose when to publish the content, how to edit the content, so you can choose the alignment, font size, font, everything, and you can do your personal branding, and you can monetize your own website. And it's also best for a personal brand or a portfolio building process. So you can choose WordPress or Wix, which is having free templates. You can easily build a personal blog website. Whereas for related to portfolio sites, you can choose different templates which can showcase your writing samples to clients. And people ask me how many samples should I attach to my portfolio. So you can try to attach over 10 to 20 best of your writing samples. So you can also alter depending on the client whom you are going to approach. So second way of publishing content online is through Medium, Substack, Vocal Media and LinkedIn articles. So you can use Medium platform, which is very easy to use. It has built-in audience and it's serving great for article writing. Whereas Substack, you can try to make newsletters, which is nothing but the email writing or email marketing we call, so that it helps you grow a reader base. Whereas a Vocal Media will help writers to get paid on number of reads. And talking about LinkedIn articles, it's excellent for professional and business related content. Number three is social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube or TikTok, Reels, anything it can be. So Instagram or Facebook is good for micro content, visuals and related to short tips. Whereas Twitter, it's good for quick thoughts, threads and engagement. Whereas YouTube is for video content, vlogs and tutorials, mostly for storytelling purpose. Whereas Reels is for like a short form video content with high reach potential. Number four is guest posting and communities. Whereas guest blogging is used to by the writers who approach different websites to showcase their writing. Like they write for established blogs to reach new audiences. Whereas Quora or Reddit or Medium communities, it's useful to share insights and link back to your main content. So for that purpose you can use Quora and other websites. Whereas forums, like which is like the niche specific, so it builds authority by contributing valuable posts. So number five is professional content publishing. So talking about this, you can approach journaling sites where you can submit articles to news outlets or online magazines. Second is the industry publications like trade journals, tech blogs or research sites where your content can be approved and published. And number three is the freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where you can create content for clients, exclusively for your clients. Number six is the paid publishing or self-publishing. You can go for Amazon Kindle direct publishing, we call it as the KDP, where you can publish ebooks and reach global readers. Sometimes this is a free of cost because all the editing stuffs you are going to do, which can eliminate the publishing cost. And Gumroad or Payhip, so which helps to sell guides, templates and digital products. Whereas Udemy or Skillshare helps publish educational video contents. So number seven is like for writing for podcasts, newsletters or slide shares. Like podcasts for audio content and newsletters for email marketing, like building a loyal subscriber base. because you're going to constantly keep them in touch with your emails or your newsletters, upgrading them about what is happening and what are the other options they are having in the same. Whereas SlideShare, you can share presentations, infographics and educational content. I hope this video was useful, because people were very confused about where will my content go. So to answer this, I came up with this video. I hope this will be useful. Please share it with your friends and family who is looking forward to make a career in content writing. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next video.